Learn to read with ABCetc, Learning Made Easy. Module 2, the English alphabet. In this module, you will revise the 26 alphabet letter names in sequence. Be introduced to the alphabet arc. Learn to use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet. Resources: alphabet flashcards, alphabet tiles. Check out the link in the description below. The 26 letters of the alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The alphabet arc. An alphabet arc is a tool used for easy learning of letters, letter sequencing, and letter names and sounds in preparation for reading. The alphabet arc. Let's form an alphabet arc using the uppercase letters. Place A at the beginning. A. Place Z at the end. Z. Place letters M and N at the middle. M. N. Now arrange the rest of the alphabet letters in an arc shape and call out the letters' names. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Practice makes perfect. You may now use the alphabet arc method with these resources to practice the letters sequence. Check out the link in the description below. The 26 letters of the alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In the next session, you will revise the 26 alphabet letter names in sequence. Learn the 26 alphabet sounds. Use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet. Learn to read with ABC ETC, Learning Made Easy.